Okay guys, just like I promised, a whole new place of magnet fishing. I said we would travel, and today we have traveled. We are at Lake Hope State Park. I saw a fellow magnet fisher magnet fishing here, and I figured I'd give it a try. We're at the dock of the bathrooms here, and we're about ready to go down to the beach. There's a boat dock over there, as you can see, on the other side of the lake. But if I remember correctly, and I think I do, then we're going to go to the boat dock right down over the hill. Okay, it says Lake Hope Unguarded Public Beach. It's the emergency dial 911, rules and regulations. There's the boat rental. You just walk down this way. Walking down. I'm taking the elevator. Just joking, there is no elevator. If I remember right, in the video, this is where the people were magnet fishing. We're over here on these two docks. The dock farthest to the left. I'm gonna give it a try. Whoa. All kinds of little kind of bridges here. There's a picnic area up here if you guys want to picnic. Somebody lost their bolts. Oh yeah. Some of this looks new. Hey dude. It's closed. That means the boat thing's closed, doesn't it? What? Or that right there.
That means the boat rental place is closed. You can still go on the dock. You can't rent a boat. That's interesting looking boat. Check that one out.
That is cool looking. It has a bicycle chain on it and everything.
Hydro bikes.
Is that what it's called? Hydro bikes. I don't know if it was this one or if it was that one.
Well, that one looks to be leaning a little bit.
That one looks to be leaning. I would say it was this one. Anyways, tell me if you can see it any good at all. We'll go ahead and put the treasure bucket here. And this is the scraper for okay, got the scraper. Now I'm gonna put the gloves on. Who's gonna magnet fish? All of us?
Yeah.
We'll all give it a turn here. Look at all these boats, man. Here I am putting on like criminal gloves. Hey, we got some new gloves, or did we bring them?
I think it's there's an extra pair in there.
Yeah, there's an extra pair. We are going to try magnet fishing here at Lake Hope in Ohio. And no pun on the words, but I hope we catch something good. I don't think there's too many people to ask us questions today. Yeah. Well, this is a 1,000-pound magnet, 1,000-pound pull. Going along the bottom here. I don't feel anything, but you never know. Looks like there's something on there. Well, let's see. First, right off, we have some keys. Da-da-da-da-da. Hey, you ready to go start that four-wheeler up? Can you bring the treasure bucket? Say 76.1. 76.1. That's pretty cool, huh? This is magnetic too, whatever that is. I do not know what the other things are. Look at all those boats. How big this lake is. It's cool. Looks like my son here got a hook. What's it look like, Captain Hook? That over there was a you want to go put it in the treasure bucket. Looks like I just got a hook and a sinker with a lot of fishing line in. Put that in the bucket there. You can see we're starting to get some things in there. I saw something big go back down in there, so we're gonna try to get that. Look what we got in there, guys. And I guess they call those leaders, and another hook, little hook, and a whole lot of poopy on the end of my magnet. And today, what we have here is some very nice nails. Nailed it. Well, you got some more nails here. Some more nails. You like those? There we go. Thank you very much, Bob. You're my number one, Bob. Well, for the umpteenth time, look what we got this time. The nail, or the fish nook's lungs rusted. It looked like they used this for a sinker. Yeah. You might want to put that in the thing. I'm not going to collect any more nails. Look what we got here, guys. Right here, it looks like kind of like a turbine. We got a lot of old nails. Yet again, we have a lot of nails. That's what I call a Wolverine crawl right there, boys. And it's a gold bar. Now, I don't know what this is. It's on there good. It's like falling apart. Here you go. Don't know what it is. We'll check that out later. We don't know what this is, but right here she's got some kind of lighter, maybe a Zippo lighter. It's kind of cool looking. See, it's kind of gold. And got that. A turd. And this. All right. I'm gonna go put these in the treasure river. Kind of drains down into this culvert kind of place and goes down and drains. Good. Here is a knife, but it's just a butter knife. Look, it's just a, yeah. Alrighty, I'm gonna put this in the treasure bucket. Hey man, babe, this thing goes fast for real. Look, watch, and look, back up. Get it, get it, get it. Yeah. Get it?
Yeah.
Well, golly mad, look at that.
Come on, what rod you got?
Look what a big rod I caught. We are now at the other end of the dock. What we got tonight, for the very first time, folks, is, if you can see that, that is a homemade crack pipe. Oh,
I'm pretty sure you buy them.
You buy them like that? Hey guys, it was kind of dark when we were shooting that video, so I just wanted to show you, for the first time ever, I haven't seen anyone else find a crack pipe. So, look, I believe that's what this is. My wife said you can buy them like that, but I'm not really for sure if you can or not. But there's a pretty clear picture of it. Here's what it looks like. So yeah, crack in the crack pipe. Anyways, I saved the best for last. You guys have a great day.